Hi, I'm John Donoghue.
And I'm Patricia Hessnan. We both work as practitioners at the Ocean School of Bioenergy and Sound Healing here in Ireland. We'd like to share over 25 years' experience and knowledge with you.
Everybody has the ability to help heal themselves and others. We'd like to welcome you to join us on Zoom when we'll be presenting a live interactive workshop. Details of our next Zoom workshop is displayed on the Eventbrite website. When you attend this workshop, you will receive access to our complete sound healing online diploma course, levels 1, 2 and 3, absolutely free, as a bonus, and features over 60 on-demand video lectures.
You do not need to be musical or have the ability to play a musical instrument to apply sound healing. Sound healing has become one of the most powerful healing modalities available today. Many health problems can be related to energy blockages in the energy field of the body.
The physical body can be broken down into organs, glands, bones and tissue. And at a cellular level, quantum physics shows us that fundamentally we are made of energy and comprised of energy fields. Sound healing instruments create powerful frequencies and vibrations which can be used to help harmonize and balance the energy fields of the body. When our energy is flowing freely and uninterrupted, we are healthy. However, sickness and disease can quickly set in when our energy fields become out of sync, blocked or interrupted.
We'll explain about the 7 main energy points in the body called chakras, and we'll also explain the connection between the emotional body and the physical body via these energy points. We'll also show you how to energize, clear and balance these chakras using bioenergy techniques.
The aim of sound healing is to activate healthy physiological activity within the body. In this introductory sound healing workshop, we'll demonstrate and show you how and why sound healing works and how it can be applied for a wide variety of health problems. We will also show you how it can be applied for distant healing for a person many miles away. We'd like to tell you 2 short stories involving sound healing. A woman attended for therapy some years ago, having been diagnosed with diabetes and gangrene. She was told that she would require a leg amputation. I used a Tibetan Singing Bowl for sound therapy on her leg, ankle and foot. In conjunction with this, Patricia also applied bioenergy therapy. Some months later, she was told by her consultant that they could see amazing improvements in her condition and she did not require an amputation. The story was covered by a national newspaper.
Some years ago, I had major surgery on my back. Later, I suffered a further injury to my back following a fall. I was in great pain for a number of months. A second operation on my back was not an option. John did regular sound healing therapy using a Tibetan singing bowl over my back until the pain had eased. I was amazed at the recovery I made.
Our aim is to teach you how to work with these simple, unique sound healing techniques, which can help revitalize the body and assist its return back to a state of balance, improved health and well-being. This workshop is designed to introduce you to the unique world of sound healing with methods you can apply straight away. Learn how you can help improve your own health and the health of your family, friends or clients using natural, non-invasive, pain-free sound healing therapy.
We're available 24/7 if you have any questions at any time. We're really looking forward to meeting you on this workshop.
Stay healthy and stay safe, and see you soon on the live Zoom Sound Healing Workshop.